Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm sharing one of my favorite recipes for avocado toast. Avocado toast is just crispy toasted bread topped with creamy mashed avocado and some simple seasonings. If you've never had avocado toast or if you're looking for a new recipe, stay tuned. You will need the following ingredients. I like to make my avocado mixture first, so I'm starting off with half of a large ripe avocado. I'll add in the juice of half a lemon, some garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, salt, and pepper. And I'm just seasoning to taste. Next, I'll mash the avocado until everything is well combined. I'm not going to over mix this just because I like to have a little bit of texture in my mixture. Once it reaches my desired consistency, I'll place it in the refrigerator to chill while I toast my bread. I'm using sourdough bread. I find that it holds the avocado mixture best. It gets nice and toasted. Next, I add my mashed avocado to the bread. And then top it off with some everything bagel seasoning. A little olive oil. At this point, you can add some more sea salt and lemon juice, or I prefer to add a little bit of balsamic glaze. I had it served this way in a restaurant, and it has now become my go-to way to make avocado toast. The balsamic glaze is completely optional. I just find that it enhances the flavor of the toast. Alright you guys, so that is it for today's video. If you like what you saw, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, or you can simply share this video with someone that you think may benefit from it. Comment below, do you plan on giving this a try? Bye.